Alright, so 2017 Volvo XC90 T6 Momentum. We're getting this light here, Volvo on-call, service required. Most common culprit for that is the battery in the VCM has gone bad and needs to be replaced. So what I should do is take that battery out and test it, then buy a new battery. But I already bought the new battery, so I'm just going to replace it in. Hopefully that works. If it doesn't, I've read that I still have to take it into Volvo and get an update. But let's replace the battery first and see how it goes. Alright, so the VCM is located directly behind here. I have to take off this whole panel. There's a bolt right here and right there, if you can see that. So these right here are 8mm, so we'll start with those. One. See if I can pry it off with this. Go perfect. Let's see, is it 8? Also an 8. Great. I should be able to pull this right off. So this one right here is plastic and it's a 10. So pull that off. You can see it's just a plastic nut. Carefully pull this off. Just lift this like this. Seat belt's there, so I guess that's gonna stay. Alright, here at the rear passenger door, I'm gonna pull this piece of trim off. I think it should just pop right off. Yep. Just held on by some clips. Came off. Pretty easy. Okay, so now I should be able to just pop this whole panel off. Should just get right off. There we go. Just held on by some clips. Hope I missed one bolt over here. It's probably an 8. Alright, so there is an 8mm bolt over here by the... Alright, so at this point I'm going to pull all of these parts out. Give me a little extra space. Pull this right off. Alright, so now we're going to pop this panel off. Should be able to just pull it right off. Shouldn't be too hard. And then kind of fish it through the seat belt. Swing it out of the way. You can see the VCM is right back there. Alright, so here it is. You don't need to take this bolt off, I don't think. You should be able to just pop it off of these clips. Go. Comes right out. The battery will be right inside of here. Take a little screwdriver, pop this tab, open it up. There it is. That's the battery right there. Unplug it. Alright, so looking at this battery, this looks like it's the original battery, December 2016. I'm going to check to see if it still has 8 volts on it. Yeah, it looks like this battery's good. It has over 8 volts, so I'm not sure why I'm getting that code. I'm going to put the new battery in anyway. See what the new battery is just to make sure. New battery is reading just under 8 volts. So it's interesting. Let's see what happens. Okay, so you plug the new battery in. Click. Pop this in here. Alright, so when I got in the car and I put it in accessory mode, Volvo on-call service required light still came on. So I drove it around for a while and it went away, but now it just came back on. So let me try driving around again. Alright, so after replacing the battery, the light didn't go away. So I took it into Volvo for the software update. I told them I replaced the battery, so they didn't need to do that. But they still, I should have pushed back. They did a diagnostic and then they updated the software. But I should have told them, don't do the diagnostic. Please just update the software, because I have my sheet here. So 140 for the diagnostic, 200 for the software. So the total came out to be, what, $340 basically, when it could have just been $200. And then you also saw in the video, I tested the old battery and it was fine, like as the voltage was fine. I'm curious if I didn't replace the battery, if I just went in and just had the software update, if it would have worked. Their system tells them that the procedure is replace battery, update software. So that's what they want to do. If you have this issue, and you're able to just go in and just ask them to update the software and see if that works, I would do that. If I could go back, I would do that, and see if that worked. And if not, I'll just take it home and then change the battery out afterwards, because you could probably save a pretty good amount of money and time by doing that. But yeah, it works now.